Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can pay your Shopify bill with PayPal, so let's get right into it. Now, if you're shopping on a Shopify store, you're going to see the PayPal option once you're at checkout for whichever item or service you're paying for, and you'll most likely have instructions on how to connect it so that you can purchase things on Shopify. However, if you're interested in purchasing a plan for Shopify, I'm going to show you how to set up PayPal as a payment method for your subscriptions and premium plans. Now, from your dashboard, what you're going to want to do is go to settings in the bottom left and then go into billing. Once you're here, you can click add a payment method, and as a method, select PayPal. As you can see, you can just click this PayPal button here and it'll open up a new window where it's going to ask you to enter your PayPal credentials so that you log in and you authorize the connection. Once you do, once you authorize it, and possibly you might have to go to your email which you're using for your PayPal account so that you can confirm it is you. Once you confirm everything, then your payment method will be set up, and that's all you have to do. Now, you can do it this way, or if you don't have a plan, you can go to plan and then click choose plan, and once you choose one, you'll be prompted to add a payment method, but that is completely up to you. The easiest way and the most simple way is just go to billing, click add payment method, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.